But here's the thing, and Alexis, this is not a clean case for the prosecution, right? I know how they're building it up towards racketeering. I know how they're building it up for sex trafficking. They need the jury to believe these key alleged victims, and to have text messages or videos or other witness testimony saying, you know, why didn't they step away? Why were they praising Sean Combs? As Elizabeth reported, there was testimony earlier. There's a lot of different factors that go into why alleged victims stay with the people who abuse them and even praise them and even maintain a relationship with them or have consensual sex with them. But it makes it not a clean case for the prosecution. And the defense is exploiting it as they should. As they should. I mean, that's their job to say there are question marks here. And I wonder, is it a question mark that's going to be enough to raise reasonable doubt about whether or not any of this happened, or whether or not, you know, there were willing participants, whether it was consensual, whether or not this was a criminal enterprise? Alexis, I think this is a concern for the prosecution.
I think it's a huge concern. I think from a defense strategy, it was excellent. It's an excellent play. They needed to show, and that video did that she's not this wallflower, this weak person, that's really, and what Brian Steele was doing, and by the way, he's an excellent attorney, was showing that her credibility, attacking her credibility, that she's not this weak person. Look at this video, because the text messages don't necessarily show that. That video nails that down. But there is a big question, even though we have, you know, that this isn't inconsistent with the battered woman syndrome or someone who's been abused, the reaction. However, to a juror, why, years later, when she was out of the web, in essence, is she still sending these reassuring, happy texts and videos? Why is that? Is this really a show? Did she make this up?